अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण हांणी बुधवारा नरेंद्र मोदी सरकाराचे वतीन संसदेत अर्थसंकल्प सादर केलो. सीतारमण जुलै 2019 वर्सा अर्थमंत्री म्हणून जबाबदारी घेतल्या उपरांत आपलो 5वो अर्थसंकल्प सादर करतात. 2023-2024 वर्साचो अर्थसंकल्प आदल्या अर्थसंकल्पाच्या बुन्यादीचेर उबारतले आनी भारत @100 खातीर नक्सो आसतलो अशें सीतारमण हांणी सांगलें.
फुडल्या वर्सा जातले भौशीक वेंचणुके आदी निमण्या पुराय अर्थसंकल्पात निर्मला सीतारामन हांणी भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था योग्य मार्गार आसा आनी उजवाडाच्या फुडारा कडेन वता अशें सांगलें. करदात्यांक आनी अर्थव्यवस्थेक चालना दिवपा खातीर सीतारामनान नवे कर पद्दती खाला कर स्लॅबात व्हड बदल आनी रेल्वे आनी भांडवल खर्चात व्हड वाड करपाची घोशणा केला.
This is the first budget in Amrit Kal. This budget hopes to build on the foundation laid in the previous budget and the blueprint drawn for India at 100. We envision a prosperous and inclusive India in which the fruits of development will reach all sections and citizens, especially our youth, women, farmers, OBCs, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. In the 75th year of our independence, the world has recognized the Indian economy as a bright star. Our current year's economic growth is estimated to be at 7%. It is notable that this is the highest among all the major economies. This is in spite of the massive slowdown globally caused by COVID-19 and the war. The Indian economy is therefore on the right track and despite a time of challenges, heading towards a bright future. Today, as Indians stand with their head held high and the world appreciates India's achievements and successes, we are sure that elders who had fought for India's independence will with joy bless us in our endeavors going forward as well. Our focus on wide-ranging reforms and sound policies implemented through Sabka Prayas, resulting in Jan Bhagidari and targeted support to those in need, helped us perform well in trying times. India's rising global profile is because of the several accomplishments: unique world-class digital public infrastructure, example Aadhaar, CoWIN and UPI, COVID vaccination drive in unparalleled scale and speed, proactive role in frontier areas such as achieving the climate-related goals, Mission Life and National Hydrogen Mission. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we ensured that no one goes to bed hungry with a scheme to supply free food grains to over 80 crore persons for 28 months. Continuing our commitment to ensure food and nutritional security, we are implementing from 1st January 2023 a scheme to supply free food grain to all Antyodaya and priority households for the next 1 year. Under PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, the entire expenditure of about 2 lakh crore will be borne by the central government. In these times of global challenges, the G20 presidency gives us a unique opportunity to strengthen India's role in the world economic order. With the theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, we are steering an ambitious, people-centric agenda to address global challenges and to facilitate sustainable economic development. The government's efforts since 2014 have ensured for all citizens a better quality of life and life of dignity. The per capita income has more than doubled to 1.97 lakh rupees. In these 9 years, the Indian economy has increased in size from being 10th to 5th largest in the world. We have significantly improved our position as well as a well-governed and innovative country with a conducive environment for business as reflected in several global indices.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.